Hey there, Mr. Arcadia here. I've been using this keyboard for a couple of months now, and I wanted to give you my thoughts on it, given that there are few reviews about the K1, and especially its latest version 3. It's been a nice addition for those late night work sessions because of the beautiful backlight. So let's get right to it. This is the 104 keys model, which comes with the yellow switches, whatever that means. They are fine, but the sound of each keystroke is a bit high-pitched for my taste, but overall is quite pleasing. The travel time per key is the right sweet spot, as well as the resistance of each one. It just feels good to type. Although I'm still getting used to the height, which is great, it's just a bit higher than Apple's Magic Keyboard. On that note, it's a very good companion for the Magic Trackpad. Having a Mac version is absolutely amazing. There are so many Windows configurations for mechanical keyboards that it's a bit discouraging to hunt for one. The switch on the side is very handy. You can change between Bluetooth and cable connection very easily. There is also a dedicated Windows, Android, Mac, iOS switch, so you can go back and forth with different configurations on the keyboard itself, like swapping the Command and the Windows key. It also comes with the Siri and screenshot keys, which is just a shortcut, but it's nice to have them there with the logo on it. Bluetooth works great. I had no problems on macOS and Windows on my iMac Pro and on the old iMac that you see on this video. You can connect up to 3 Bluetooth devices and you can switch between them with the dedicated function shortcut. It also comes with a USB Type-C cable that it's great for charging the device when you're not using it. Speaking of which, battery life is okay. I got a couple of days with the lights on and almost a full week with the lights off. Of course, the main show are the lights. It comes with 18 modes and each one has color cycling, meaning that you can go from RGB to a single color. My favorites are Explosive for the day, Rainbow for the night, and All Red for a relaxed night. I wish there was an app where I can schedule color and brightness of the keyboard. Seems like there's a missed opportunity right there. So let's talk problems I found with this keyboard. The first one is the Bluetooth connection at startup time. Most Macs these days will ask for a password before letting you into the system, so I find it weird that I have to connect the USB cable to input that. This is something that the Magic Keyboard does perfectly well, but it could be one of those proprietary Apple things. Another issue that I am having these days is that the P and the key keys are starting to fail, but could that be cat hair? And on the side note, the plastic for the keys feel really cheap, whereas the rest of the keyboard feels really premium quality. So what's up with that? Oh yeah, and it also gets super dirty very easily, but it's fine. In conclusion, this has become my main keyboard for everyday work and I'm really liking it. It feels really good to type on it, it feels great to see in the dark, and it's super nice that I can switch between devices with little hassle. So that's it for me. I'm Mr. Arcadia. I've been reviewing this thing on a video on the YouTube thing that if you liked, you can hit the like button. If you like the content, you can subscribe to my channel. I don't know how to do this part. Thanks for watching.